don't think this place needs any introduction. It's been in every single one of my camping videos. So we have just stayed 2 nights here, which has been good. Met a couple of other owners up here, which was also good. So just me and Emily up here and the dogs. And yeah, we've packed up, ready to head home. And I think the plan is we're going to do a little bit of driving around here, and then on the way home probably stop in and head up Mount Margaret track and into Burgoynes. And hopefully the river's not too high in Burgoynes. We have noticed the river's come up a fair bit over the last couple of days. It has been raining for the last 2 days, so hopefully the river's not too high at Burgoynes, and we'll duck through there and then yeah, head back home. So stay tuned and we'll see what we find. Better actually let the tyres down.
Yeah. This is how campsites should be left.
Well, we're at the bottom of Hickey's Creek track. So this goes up to Mount Margaret track and then along, and then you hit the top side of Burgoynes, and then yeah, head back down to the main road and then cross the road and keep going down Burgoynes. So that's sort of the plan for this Arvo. Last time I was in here it was a half decent track, so hopefully it's still pretty good. It is wet, we definitely had a lot of rain, so yeah, we'll check it out. And I do know that there is a good spot at the top to view over the edge of the mountain, so that's cool, so I'll check that out. But yeah, off we go. Well, that was disappointing, but it does lead to a good view, so we'll go check that out. I used to think that track was a little bit harder. I think it's copped a flogging with the dozer, so you could drive a bloody Commodore up that. But anyway, we'll check out this view.
Abby and Darcy.
What a bloody view. That is unreal. There's a bit of snow on the mountains. It's a bit fresh up here, but yeah, this is a good spot. Alright, so we finished that track, hit Burgoynes, come down to the bitumen and cross the bitumen, keep going on Burgoynes. It was sort of disappointingly easy, but that's the way it is when they give everything a flogging with the dozer, so it's still worth driving. Awesome views up there, so it's good to check it out. So yeah, for now we'll continue down into Burgoynes. Hopefully the river's not too high across the river, and keep motoring. The river looks like it's flowing a little bit hard, but I don't think it'd be too bad. Instead of driving over and then reversing back to get the footage, I think we just have one go at it. I'd rather not back across it, so we'll see how it goes, and hopefully it's all right. Not too bad. I did forget to put the window up and it nearly came in. It was lapping over the door handle, so not too bad, but yeah, I don't think I'll back across that. We'll just keep motoring along. We do need to get home, so we'll keep tiki-touring. All right, well, we made it back to just out of Walhalla, finished Burgoynes, and I was going to go down to Sheeney's Bridge and then back home on the Glen Maggie Road, but yeah, I decided to duck over Walhalla and go home this way. Might be a little bit quicker, so yeah, just sitting here, air the tyres up, and then make our way home. So yeah, as per usual, like and comment if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you don't miss out on what else is going on. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.